Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw something super colorful and fun. Yes, it's a beautiful flower.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a big circle in the middle. This will be the center of our flower. Now let's draw 8 big petals all around the circle. Petals are like long oval shapes that point outwards. 1, 2, 3. Keep going all the way until we have 8 pretty petals.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's take out our color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. Violet color. Wow! So many beautiful colors! Awesome job, everyone! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring a rainbow flower today! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time, friends! Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.